This is FX Snipers welcoming you to another video of Forex trading, especially for beginners. But you can be benefited by this video if you are an expert level of Forex trader too. This is a new year. This is the new year, and hoping you everyone having a good happy new year ahead with trading life. Today I'm gonna show you about the CCI indicator, which is a very useful indicator for forex trading. Many people use for short-term trading, and trend users or trend traders especially use it for long shorts. So stay with me till the end. Stay with me till the end, and I will be showing you some secrets here in this video. First, let's talk about the CCI settings. CCI, which is known as Commodity Channel Index, and this is your index, and its default setting is 14, I guess. Put the indicator at 14 level, don't change it, but you can add some layer like 100, 60, 40 for this trading. I'll be showing you this how to do this. Talk about the beginners. CC trading is very easy for users. There are two or three cases you have to remember while trading with CCI. The main case is it goes from 0 to 100 level or negative 100 level. These are the two core points of CCI trading. Here is an example of 100 crossing 100 level, and here is another level of crossing trend, which is minus 100 level. So you will be knowing these levels for trading shorts, whether it is bearish or bullish. In CCI trading, there are 2-3 levels, particularly 4 levels of trading. When the CCI rises up from 0 to 100, positive 100, like this in this part, it is all about trading bullish or taking bullish shorts. You can buy when it is rising from 0 to 100. You can buy here and take some profits. This is right here. This is actually market correction. I'm going to show you where it is provided buy signal. Look at this area here. CCI coming up from negative 100 to 0 and then rising from 100. This is where you take your bullish position, and if you take bullish position above 100, that's a sure shot. How? CCI crossing here 100 and rising also some points, maybe 200. This is this position indicator, which is here about 30 points, almost 30 points of bullish position. When CCI rise from 0 to 100, take long positions and set up your stop loss and take profit channels. Like if we had a chance, we would go for another position is shorting position. If you can see here, here is the shorting position, because the CCI has crossed and the negative 100 level, which is this level, the after the market correction at this level of this 0 level, the market has corrected itself, and so it is going to the downtrend all the way from here. All the way from here to here is a downtrend, and see how this started. It started as soon as the CCA crossed the negative 100 level here in this part. If I take you to the cross here, this is the point, and this is the point of crossing. CCA rising up from below negative 100 to 100, 0 and negative 100 levels. These are negative levels, so there is shorting position. If you short here or in this part, this 0 crossing area, you'll get almost 60 points of negative trading. That is bearish position. For any day trader, 60 points is just more than gold. You will have a golden trading opportunity if you follow CCI indicators. I'm not getting into the complex part of the CCI. I will be making another video for that complex situation. Get it very much easy when CCI rising from zero. Look at the cursor here, rising from 0 to 100. That's a buying position. That is, you take your currency with bullish attitude all the way to the next market correction level, which is this level or this level of market correction. And another point is simple, very simple. That is when the CCA crosses zero level and then also crosses -100, you go to the chart and take your bearish positions. So for by just simple 2 points, you can earn hundred of bucks, or at least for 30 to 50, 30 50 pips of pips of trades every day. Another important thing, if you use moving averages with CCI, that's gonna give you the best result. I'm using in this position the two moving average in my main chart, and using CCI all the level to to take position of my trades. Let's see more points in this chart. In this chart, look at here. Here CCI crossing from -100 and giving some pips like 15 pips. That is market correction, actually you cannot call it. And see here the rising, see here, rising from 0 to 100 point, and it is above 100, and this is all the way to above my moving averages, above my moving average. Usually I use 20 or 50 moving average. All the ways is to this point, which is 20 point or at least 25 point in my chart. That's a huge trade in a single shot if you correctly, convincingly use CCI trading. I hope you like my video and get something to know about CCI TV, CCI trading. Hope you understand what I am trying to say. My my trading hour was not open today since this is first day of the new year. Usually forex market closes in this day, so I thought to try to share my knowledge with you. If you like this, hit like. If you dislike this, also hit dislike button. And if there is any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. I will be grateful to you. And if you have any question level or CI, please put them in the comment section. Thank you guys, happy new year. Thanks a lot for watching the video.